I visit her each time I pass through Tennessee. She's tough as nails and never fails to make me smile. My honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find for miles. She's dreaming big and living small till the ship comes in, shining like a neon star, always playing to win. And when this town has got me down, she makes it all worthwhile. My honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find for miles. The towns apart between us every time I cross this land. We've been longing for those sparkling hazel lights. Of all the women I have met, oh, no one understands me like my honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find for miles. Someday soon I'll find a way to be the one that she needs. She won't wait, I'll make a change, I'll follow where she leads. She'll take my hand and take my heart, let herself lie. We'll live big inside our dreams, life won't pass us by. That perfect day we run away, headed down the aisle, me and my honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find for miles. The towns apart between us every time I cross this land. We've been longing for those sparkling halo lights. Of all the women I have met, no one understands me like my honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find. The towns apart between us every time I cross this land. We've been longing for those sparkling hazel lights. Of all the women I have met, no one understands me like my honky-tonk angel, sweetest girl you'll find for miles. She's my honky-tonk angel, and I live for her smile. What if all the fantasies carry us so far away came true? Oh, the things we'd see. What a world it'd be for me and you. All I have to do is imagine that it's you I'm thinking of. like some fairy tale in the night. I remember how your garden grew and the flowers in your window box were blue. And it carries me away so far I could fly above the moon. It's when you left without reading the letter that I wrote you, girl. It nearly broke my heart in two. Jenny Lynn, won't you come home to me? Jenny Lynn, you know it's you I need. Jenny Lynn, won't you please come home to me? Now the years have come and go, but I still hold you open my door. Only for one day, only I could see you once more. It's when you left without reading the letter that I wrote you, girl. It nearly broke my heart in two. Jenny Lynn, won't you come home to me? Jenny Lynn, you know it's you I need. Jenny Lynn, won't you please come home to me? Won't you please come home to me? What's the point of holding me close when you're not sure if I'm the one? And what's the gain from telling each other this can't last, you're always on the run? Well, you deny, but in your heart it's the same, and it's gonna hit you like a southbound train, 'cause it burns so deep, we're praying for the drowning rain. There's no rhyme or reason to this hell when you want someone like I want you. I'm not your past and you're not mine. I'm not the other girl, what you want me to do? Oh, I deny it, but my heart's the same. I know it's gonna hit me like a cold fire trying, 'cause it burns so deep. We're praying for the drowning rain. for the drowning rain. Woke up in a wonderland where I can finally breathe. Left behind the shadowland that had control of me. Questioning my fortune, so long since I felt free. Am I moving forward or is the pink cloud fooling me? I've never been here before. Outside of this guarded door, like the shadows had me on the run. Now I'm walking in the sun.
Too much information, it really floods my brain. I can put it together, but it's too hard to explain. Carry on as best I can, keep my eye right on that goal. Wake up to a better day, try to catch my fall.
I've never been here before. Outside of that guarded door, like the shadows had me on the road. Now I'm walking in the sun. Some days are full of rain, but still the sun shines through. There's no magic spell to cast to change your field of view.
When I was a younger man, didn't feel right in my skin. Now I'm going down a better road than the road where I have been.
I've never been here before. Outside of that guarded door, like their shadows had me on the road. Now I'm walking in the sun. I've never been here before. Outside of that guarded door, like their shadows had me on the road. Now I'm walking in the sun. Now I'm walking in the sun. Now I'm walking in the sun.
Just holding on till I can see you again. Had some long, lonely days. Can only hope that my soul is redeemed for all of my ways. water's edge.
Lay my hopes against the shore.
Some days I wonder if mistakes that I made left all this pain at my door.
I can see out in the deepest blue what has lived inside of me. But there's a calm that comes when I think of you. Lifts the weight from all I've seen.
I can bury all my sins below beneath this body shore. Get myself back to the one I love. Won't be forsaken anymore. Going down to the water's edge. Catch the dreams I had before.
Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Appreciate it.